Hey everybody, it's me, Scott from HPR Product Reviews, and today we're looking at the Filtrete Home Air Filter. Now this one is the micro-allergen defense, however there are many options you can choose from. This comes in a pack of 2. And if you don't know already, you need to change your air filters in your home once every 90 days, at least. So today I'm going to show you how to change your home air filter with your new Filtrete replacement filter. And it's pretty easy actually. The first thing you want to do is obviously remove the old one. And you usually just need to release a few hinges and it'll pop open. And this is probably a good time to say, make sure you get the right size of home air filter. It is very important. Otherwise it's not going to fit. Once you get that bad boy out, the next thing you need to do is put in your new Filtrete air filter correctly. There is an arrow that points up that is showing you the airflow. So make sure when you put it in, the arrow is pointed up. It should fit pretty snug. Once you get it in there, relatch those hinges, and you are done for the next 90 days. And you can start enjoying a cleaner, fresher home environment with the Filtrete Home Air Filter.